Have you ever wondered what the safe temperature guidelines are for cooking and storing food? Well, this is a vital topic that not only affects the taste of your meals, but also your health. So buckle up as we unravel the mystery behind these numbers and guide you on your culinary journey. When it comes to poultry and stuffed meats, these should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This is crucial to eliminate harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and Campylobacter, which can cause serious foodborne illnesses if the meat is undercooked. Ground meats like beef, pork, lamb, and veal should be cooked to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. This temperature is key to destroying bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella that are commonly found in ground meats. As for whole cuts of meat, such as steaks, roasts, and chops, the recommended minimum internal temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. However, it's important to allow a 3-minute rest time before carving or consuming to ensure any remaining bacteria are destroyed while preserving the meat's juiciness and flavor. When it comes to fish and seafood, cook them to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius until the flesh is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. This ensures the elimination of parasites and bacteria, making it safe to consume. Eggs should be cooked until both the yolk and white are firm. Dishes containing eggs such as quiche or casseroles should reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius to destroy any harmful bacteria present. Now onto storage temperatures. Your refrigerator should be maintained at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. This slows the growth of bacteria and prevents perishable foods from spoiling prematurely. Your freezer, on the other hand, should be kept at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius or below. This preserves the quality of frozen foods and inhibits the growth of bacteria, yeasts, and molds. Perishable foods such as meat, poultry, seafood, dairy products, and leftovers should be stored in the refrigerator within 2 hours of cooking or purchasing. In hot weather conditions, reduce this time frame to 1 hour to prevent bacterial growth and food spoilage. And finally, when thawing frozen foods, do so safely in the refrigerator, under cold running water, or in the microwave. Avoid thawing food at room temperature, as it can promote bacterial growth and compromise food safety. In conclusion, adhering to these detailed temperature guidelines for cooking and storage significantly reduces the risk of foodborne illnesses and ensures that your meals are not only delicious, but also safe to consume. Use a reliable food thermometer to accurately measure the internal temperature of cooked foods and maintain your refrigerator and freezer at the recommended temperatures for optimal food safety and quality. Because, after all, your health is worth every degree.